Everybody, Steve from OpenBOM, and it's time to let you in on something that we have been working on, which I think you're going to love. It's support for Onshape's release management. So let me show you what I have. I've got a design here that's in version 7 that I've got a bill of material made for it, and nothing unusual here at all. So if you're familiar with Onshape's release management, first of all, you can see I have it enabled, and there's a process that your document goes through when you make release candidates. We are going to listen to this event right here that as it goes from pending to approved. Right here is an event. So OpenBOM is going to listen to that event, and let me show you how we do that. Again, this is some early development stuff, so there may be some unusual stuff here. There is a setting, update BOMs on release. And what that means is as you go from this version, as you go through Onshape's release process, and you can see here that I've got this triangle on this version, that means that this M1 manufacturing release is a release. As I went through that release process in Onshape, OpenBOM was listening to that, and we updated bills of material for any assemblies that you have bills of material for in Onshape. And I can kind of show you the evidence of that, because as I look at this in OpenBOM, I can see that the item information about this this SKU 110, which is the top level, is now revision A. So that will be coming. This is December. We're looking at a January release, a January 2023 release for this. And again, that will be support for Onshape's on release process or workflow. And you'll see that when you see a new setting here, update BOMs on release. Anyway, is a kind of an early preview of that. I'll keep you up to date as we get closer to release. Thanks.